Hello everyone, my name is Tmurry and this is my presentation on how to incorporate expert systems into tower crane inspections. Tower cranes require annual structural inspections to ensure the integrity of the crane is in adequate condition. The inspection process for these cranes is elaborate and requires attention to many details before and during the process. Suppose it's your first time inspecting a tower crane and you do not know what the pre-inspection process requirements are. Things like what safety gear to wear, what tools you need, emergency muster points to use, and what the allowable environmental conditions are. Rather than bombarding an expert with questions on this information, you can utilize an expert system to assist in the decision-making process. The system I created provides a broad set of factors involved in inspecting a tower crane. If a junior inspector has questions for a qualified supervisor, they can refer to the system for an in-depth description of the step-by-step process involved. The system covers information related to the inspection before and during the process. For example, if you'd like to know what safety gear is required, follow the questionnaire system format of expert rule, and the system will provide the answer for the required equipment. If you're inspecting a specific component of a tower crane, then you can refer to the system to point out what the critical stress points are and what inspection technique should be used. The system is designed to be used by inspectors with prior knowledge of inspection techniques, but have limited knowledge to the inspection of a tower crane. Due to the dangers of this job, it is very important that these inspectors have sufficient access to the knowledge required to safely complete these inspections. I imagine larger companies with greater numbers of new hires would utilize this system to reduce the cost of training. The development of rules and attributes would need significant refinement for incorporation into a real-life situation. I gathered my information from tower crane inspections I have performed and other tasks similar to the process. In order to get a fully comprehensive list of questions and outcomes, a series of interviews would need to be conducted with safety officers, senior inspectors, and professional engineers. Formatting my system in a user-friendly way proved challenging. The system turned into more of a questionnaire that a user would get stuck in a tunneling-like process that even once they asked their question, they'd have to answer a series of other questions to get their answer. This is done through the nested if statements. My system starts off with two main starting points: the pre-inspection job requirements and the tower crane inspection process. After deciding which branch the information you need is on, for example, you can choose the inspection process, you get directed to the next step. Which component do you require inspection information on? From there, it asks a series of questions related to critical stress areas, inspection processes, and what to do if you encounter a defect. The final outcome gives you a response to record any defects, serial component information, and to proceed with the inspection. This system does have potential and can assist junior inspectors. However, there is potential for it to cause disruption. First of all, the information inside has to be absolutely correct to ensure the safety of the inspector and the proper completion of the inspection. As well, the system is best used alongside the help of human expertise due to the number of variables that exist and change during inspections. By pairing it with human expertise, junior inspectors can then consult with an expert if they have any question that is not included in the system. The expert can then make updates and revisions to the system. In conclusion, expert systems are best used alongside the use of human reasoning. This has been my Unit 4 project. Thank you for listening.